Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to join clips in DaVinci Resolve 18. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, create a new project by clicking on this icon and name it Join Clip. Once you're in the project, navigate to the Edit section. At the bottom, access your folders containing the clips you want to join. Now, click on the clip and drag it here. Now you have to choose Don't Change. When prompted to add another clip, go back to folder. Please note that this clip is in a portrait mode, so its dimensions might differ from the first clip. Drag it here. Ensure the magnet icon is activated, so this only ensures smooth connection between your clips from the start to the end of the video. Also, make sure the link icon is enabled. Now, ensure the cut tool to separate scenes in the clips. You'll notice the cuts in the clips, and these are crucial for joining scenes seamlessly. By joining the best scenes together, you can create a cohesive and captivating video. You can also align scenes perfectly, creating a fluid narrative. Additionally, you have the flexibility to rearrange the clips, move a clip to the top, or place it in a specific sequence. You can also ripple some clips, and it's essential to remember that these actions are not destructive. If you want to revert to original cut scenes, simply click on Clip and expand it to restore its original content. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.